In Filestage, AI reviewers help you speed up your review process by automatically checking files for issues like grammar, branding, and compliance before manual reviewers even open the file. Let's take a look at how they work. To enable AI reviewers, go to your personal settings, select Early Access, and turn on the toggle for AI reviewers. Note that only account admins can enable this feature. Once early access is turned on, go to Team Settings and click on AI Reviewers in the top navigation. Here you can choose from predefined reviewers like a spelling and grammar check, a barcode scanner, or a Content Rules AI. You can also create your own reviewer, give it a name, and add a custom prompt to define what it should look for. Once set up, AI reviewers are ready to be used in your projects. To invite an AI reviewer to a project, go to your reviewer group, click Invite Reviewer, and open the AI Reviewers dropdown. Select the AI reviewer you want to use, and that's it. Now, every time a file is uploaded to that reviewer group, the AI reviewer will automatically scan the file and leave feedback. You'll see its comments appear in the file viewer, just like with any other reviewer. You can click on a comment to jump to that spot, reply, resolve, or delete as usual. AI reviewers currently support documents and images, including PDFs, DOCX files, and JPG or PNG designs. More file types will be supported soon. All AI features are powered securely by OpenAI. Your content stays private and is never used to train the models, and that's how to use AI reviewers in Filestage.